and it's kind of gone crazy. Worldwide and domestic travel ban. South by Southwest has been cancelled. Woke up real early this morning. Early this week, I put out a little article called Making PLM Sexy, and it's kind of gone crazy. I got lots of comments I want to dig into, get into, apply to, and probably consolidate and make it into a new blog or video or something. Hey, despite all the corona stuff, there's an amazing amount happening in the EV sector right now. And down here in Cali, apparently now officially the world leader in EVs, but we need to help flourish further. SoCal is becoming the EV manufacturing of the US, if not the world, and I'm planning on visiting as many of them as will let me in. Electric vehicles, batteries, charging systems, suppliers to all three, sales and service supporting them all. Out of 275,000 employees in California, 125,000 of them are in LA and the OC. And it's not just cars, it's electric buses, BYD, Proterra, Romeo Power Assembly, battery packs, XOS, heavy e-trucks, Fisker e-cars, then the very cool Canoe. Really exciting. Just come off a call and Dassault just announced a worldwide and domestic travel ban. Not sure what's going to happen. All the meetings are cancelled, and now I don't know, how do you get on projects? What happens to the projects? I don't know. South by Southwest has been cancelled. Wow. Went through all of the Let's Make PLM Sexy, and it's just so much. Plenty of emotions running through the whole thing. The conversations are going in different directions, from questioning PLM and its ROI, that's very deserving of an extended conversation, but equally, if you're wanting and you're better, ideate on new products, design, manufacture, maintain, and upgrade, you better go with the very best PLM you can buy. And there's cloud PLM, so no excuse. Then we had the whole idea surrounding the association of digital twins, AI, 5G, PLM, honestly, works so much better with them anyways. To say, let's simplify PLM, improve the UX, totally correct. Lastly, changing the training and mentoring of people to get the very, very best you can out of PLM. Really interesting conversation, something we need to keep extending on.